Sea Pride is a proud product of Pioneer Fishing West Coast in partnership with Terrasan Pelagic Fishery. Together we produce premium steam-dried fish meal and fish oil in South Africa. Join us on our journey of producing quality products, delivering service excellence, and matching our promise with our customers' expectations. Steam-dried fish meal and fish oil have become an indispensable ingredient in the diets of commercially farmed agriculture species and livestock animals across the globe. With low dioxin, PCBs, and heavy metals, the exceptional quality of Sea Pride fish meal and fish oil makes it the ideal ingredient in natural animal nutrition, providing protein and omega-3 fatty acids. To consistently yield a high-standard product, our emphasis is on the quality of the raw material and the processing method. A key factor that counts to our advantage is our location at the tip of Africa. Vast resources of pelagic fish species flourish along South Africa's west coast. The cold Benguela Current brings the nutrient-rich water from the Antarctic close to the shores, creating a productive fishing region. On this pristine coastline lies St. Helena Bay, where Pioneer Fishing and Terrasan Pelagic Fishery operate one of the most modern fish meal and fish oil processing plants in the world. St. Helena Bay is not far from Cape Town, from where our products are exported worldwide. Our integrated activities span production, logistics, and sales support infrastructures, proving that with us, service delivery is as important as product delivery. Our purse seine vessels harvest 3 pelagic species: wild-caught anchovy, round herring, and pilchard. Although the anchovy in South African waters vary slightly in appearance, the raw material is exactly the same in composition as anchovy of other origins. Fish stocks are monitored by the Department of Agriculture, Forestry and Fisheries, with South Africa being one of the few countries where all landings are recorded by independent government representatives at the factory or quay. This ensures that overfishing is prevented and non-quota species are not being targeted. Protecting our marine resources is important, not only to secure our livelihood, but also to ensure its future availability. This also gives our customers the confidence that we can deliver an ongoing supply. Pioneer Fishing obtains raw material from the ocean without compromising the sustainability of the reserves. Striving to minimize our ecological impact on the environment, we subscribe to independent assessments to ensure certification of our products as responsibly sourced. This includes complying with all national and international environmental conservation policies and regulations relevant to our industry. Reducing fuel consumption and operating modern energy-efficient equipment reduces our carbon footprint, while the purse seine fishing method has a low impact on the marine environment, allowing seals, dolphins, and other non-targeted species to exit our nets unharmed. Fish meal and fish oil are processed from January to October at our processing plant in St. Helena Bay. The facility includes the fish meal and fish oil factory, a pilchard cannery, an ice plant, as well as engineering and mechanical workshops. Fish is landed at our company-owned pier near the plant. By using sophisticated offloading technology, the time between landing and processing is minimized. To keep the raw material in the best condition, we manage the catch effort so that it never exceeds the plant's capacity. Manufacturing the fish meal and fish oil is conducted in controlled processes, with sanitary working conditions a main concern, from the fishing waters to the finished products. No exceptions are tolerated when it comes to upholding the rules of safety that protect our employees, as well as the end consumers of our fish meal and fish oil. Simplified, the process of producing steam-dried fish meal and fish oil consists of cooking, pressing, separating, drying, and milling to separate the three main components of the raw material: solid protein, fat, and water. Once the raw fish has been offloaded directly from the vessel through the pump system into the fish pits, it is sent straight to the screw conveyors, which feed the fish to the cooker. With the use of indirect steam, the fish is cooked at 90 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. The thermal treatment to coagulate and sterilize the raw material also determines the quality and fat content of the fish meal and fish oil. While our factory is modern and automated, our operators monitor every aspect of this process on a 24-hour watch. The cooked fish is pressed to separate the liquid from the solids. The liquid is called press liquor and consists of oil and water. The solids are now called a press cake, consisting of semi-moist meat and bone. The press cake is forwarded to the steam dryer to further reduce the moisture content. At this time, the product is also sterilized. This indirect heating process is used to retain as much nutritional value from raw material as possible. Decanters remove fine solids from the pressed liquor, and separators split the liquor into fish oil and a liquid called stick water. The stick water is sent to waste heat evaporators, which use the waste heat from the dryers to evaporate water and form a concentrate. By using waste heat instead of steam, we save a significant amount of energy. The concentrate from the waste heat evaporators is mixed with the press cake and decanter solids before entering the dryer. Inside the dryer, this mixture's moisture content is reduced to below 10%. After 3 to 4 hours, the fish meal leaves the dryer at a minimum of 80 degrees Celsius before being transported to the hammer mills. Pioneer Fishing produces a full-body fish meal by using all the components of the fish. It results in a superior product that has a higher water-soluble protein content compared to fish meal that is produced by using only the press cake. The fresh meal is conveyed to the sanitized bagging plant, where it is packaged directly into 50-kilogram bags, which are sealed immediately for storage. Each bag of fish meal can be traced back by its batch number as another quality control measure. Throughout the production process, our on-site lab enables us to test the quality of each batch of fish meal. The internal tests give vital feedback to ensure that the equipment is optimized and that set parameters are maintained. The results also assist the team that is responsible for the quality of the material passing from one stage of the production process to the next. Pioneer Fishing's process has been refined to create confidence in our ability to provide a product that satisfies our customers on all accounts and guarantees total safety. This expectation of quality starts with sampling and analysis. Samples are first drawn during production, where it is done automatically by a valve that takes a sample of every 1,000 kilograms of fish meal that is conveyed to the bagging facility. The batch production samples are analyzed by SGS to independently certify our regulatory compliances as well as the phytosanitary and nutritional composition. Batches are grouped according to their nutritional results. The weighted average of the nutritional results from the combined batches is used to market the lot to prospective clients. This is used to show that it meets the relevant grade as set by international specifications. Once shipping arrangements have been made, the product is loaded into containers. Pioneer Fishing's quality supervisors see to it that extreme hygiene is maintained. The SGS representative is also present on behalf of the client in order to supervise and inspect the loading. While the containers are being packed, SGS gathers samples in accordance to GAFTA principles. These are analyzed to confirm that the consignment quality meets the contracted quality. SGS uses the same internationally accepted methods as when analyzing the production samples in our own lab. These quality control measures guarantee the traceability of all our products and ensure that there is consistency in the testing methodology regarding what is sold and what is delivered. The two sampling procedures that apply to every consignment render independence in the results and assure our customers that the fish meal they buy is the same quality as that which is loaded and delivered. As Pioneer Fishing has the capacity to realize the full potential of our raw materials and extract the maximum value from our processing plant, our fish oil undergoes the same rigorous quality controls as our fish meal. After the pressed liquor has been separated into fish oil and stick water, the oil is allowed to settle in conical tanks to remove any impurities. The oil is stored in tanks until it's pumped into flexi-tank containers for transportation. When it is time to load a consignment, another meticulous sampling process is conducted by the independent SGS agent at the site where the oil is pumped into the flexi-tank. To guarantee accuracy, samples are taken at an ongoing rate throughout the loading procedure and then sent to SGS for the final examination. Trading with Pioneer Fishing is to take part in a mutually beneficial commercial relationship where trust is built and trading risks are minimized. Pioneer Fishing's dedication to expertise in every area of our operations is reflected in our commitment to our employees. By creating opportunities for ongoing skills development and industry-specific training, we cultivate expertise in our employees, as well as the dignity that comes from doing a task with confidence. Caring for our employees extends to providing access to an on-site occupational and primary healthcare clinic and running awareness programs that cover topics such as personal health, substance abuse, domestic violence, and human rights. By investing in our people, we invest in our business, and by thriving economically, we can implement support structures in our communities and demonstrate responsible corporate engagement. Pioneer Fishing's corporate social investment strategy ensures that local communities are supported. We make substantial donations and offer training that benefit educational and care facilities for young people, senior citizen homes, as well as healthcare and recreational organizations. From Pioneer Fishing's establishment in 1947 as a fish liver oil producer, our company has grown into a progressive fishing group with extensive West Coast and East Coast operations. With a fleet of pelagic, demersal, and squid vessels, we produce a wide range of products for the local and export market. Abundant natural resources have enabled Pioneer Fishing to become a diversified business with integrated fishing and service-orientated operations. We employ more than 1,000 people across 4 divisions: the fish meal and fish oil processing plant in St. Helena Bay, a pilchard cannery which is also situated at the West Coast Division, a wet fish processing facility in Port Elizabeth on the East Coast, as well as a logistics, freight forwarding, and marketing division in Cape Town. As a pioneering business, we are constantly striving for progress, seeking out innovation, and building new and committed partnerships. Pioneer Fishing extends an invitation to existing and potential customers to visit our processing facilities. Whether your interest is in our West Coast-based canning, fish meal and fish oil operations in St. Helena Bay, or in our wet fish processing plant on the East Coast, you will find that South Africa is a beautiful country and a safe destination. Travelling to Cape Town and along the West Coast will provide the opportunity to experience the vibrant culture and scenic landscapes of this magnificent corner of the world. You might even start to mistake your business trip for a travelling vacation. Welcome to our African paradise.